In this video, I'll show you how you can remove Facebook posts from a certain year. So let's jump into the video. If it helps you out, please do leave a like and subscribe. So what you need to do is come to Facebook on the computer and click on this line here in the top right hand corner and go to activity log. Once you're in activity log, you'll see a review of basically your activity on Facebook. What you can do now is go to posts and you can see all of your different posts filtered by different years. Now what we can do is you can either manually remove these, or you can do it the new way and install a piece of software which removes it all for you. So if you don't have many posts in that year that you want to remove them from, you can go manually remove them by clicking edit and then clicking delete, or you can do it this way and you can do it automatically with a piece of software. So you need to be on Google Chrome to do this. That's why I said we need to be on the computer. So open up the Chrome web store. And if you're not on Google Chrome, by the way, it's free and you can just go and download it. And then type in search social book. And you should see this one here. It should be the first one with 41,000 reviews here. It's got a 4.5 star rating. And what it does is it removes Facebook posts in bulk. So we can click add to Chrome. You can check it out if you want, but I'm just going to add it to Chrome here. Once it's added, you'll know it's added because you'll see it pop up. If it doesn't pop up, click on your extensions and you'll see it here, social book post manager. So now you need to go back on to Facebook and make sure you're on activity log. So make sure you're not on posts. You need to be on the first one, which is activity log. Then what you can do is open social book and you can delete any posts from any year or any month. So I'm going to delete posts from 2010. So I'll come down here, we'll go 2010. I'm going to go select all. You can also filter the software so it deletes posts which include specific words, or you can tell it not to delete posts which have specific words. But whatever your settings are, keep the speed on default and then click delete. Then click OK. And it's going to start deleting posts. Now you'll know this is working because you'll see your Facebook post updating in a second. So it doesn't actually seem to be working, so we'll click stop and we're just going to refresh. And you might have to do this on your end as well. Activity log, reopen it up. Okay, so now you can see it's now deleting posts from 2010. It's going through all of them and it's deleting every single one. And it will also tell you how many posts have been deleted here. So then you can just leave that running. It will then delete your posts from a specific year, and that's all you've got to do. If that video helped you out, please do leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.